trying to get our freedom. I remember that President Kennedy said once, probably at the beginning of the 60s, the great revolution in the history of man, past, present, and future, is the revolution of those determined to be free. And I guess, I'm not sure about that, but I guess that the majority of the Catalan people are determined to be free. And this is something that you cannot stop.
I also asked the President of Catalonia, Artur Mas, what would end the brinkmanship here between Catalonia and the central government in Spain? And he said, look, a referendum, a legitimate referendum on independence. This is something that's not allowed by the Constitution. The central government in Spain absolutely adamant that this is not happening. But so what this vote really is as well is a push for leverage. They're trying to get leverage to negotiate with the central government. The question is, do they get it? Guys, back to you.
Julia, thank you so much for that. Now, as Pope Francis's tour of the United States enters its